to everyone. Please respond. Yeah. So is my screen is visible to everyone? Please respond. Yes, thank you. Yeah. So today our concept is broadcast receivers and services. Okay, so broadcast receivers and services. Okay, so we are already discussed. So what are the app components? So we are already discussed about the app components, right? So what are the app components? Can anyone tell? What are the Can anyone tell? Yeah. So activity. Next. Yeah, service, broadcast receiver, and provider. Activity, service, broadcast receiver, content provider. Okay, so these are the app components, right? So far we discussed about this activity, right? So far we discussed about this activity. Okay, so far we discussed about this activity. So now we will see these two components. Okay, so what do you mean by broadcast receiver and what do you mean by service? Okay, so now we will see these two things. Okay. So what do you mean by broadcast receiver? Broadcast receiver means it is registered for system announcements. It is registered for system announcements, right? Okay, so it is registered for system announcements. Okay, so this is called broadcast receiver. Yeah, so it is registered for system announcements. Okay, so suppose if you take the example, the examples for the broadcast receiver, power connected, power disconnected, so power connected, power disconnected, and so screen off, on. Okay, is airplane mode change. So we have so many things. Okay, so for suppose just we take only these two examples. Okay, so now we will create one example for this. Okay, so basically in the broadcast receivers are two types. Basically broadcast receivers are two types. Okay, the first one is system broadcast. Second one is custom broadcast. A system broadcast means system broadcast is nothing but, so within the system it has to perform thing. Okay, so that is called system broadcast. Custom broadcast means we should have to create our own itself. Okay, that is called custom broadcast. Okay, suppose if you take the example for custom broadcast, alarm manager. Okay, so there we should have to term by using custom broadcast. Okay, system broadcast means, okay, examples are these examples. Okay, within the system, what are the operations it will perform? So that are known as a system broadcast. Okay, so now we will see practically broadcast receiver. Okay, so now all of you are Android Studios. All of you open our Android Studios and then create a new project. Create a new project and then select the activity. Click on next. So here my application name is broadcast receiver test, BR test. My application name is BR test. Okay, so my application name is BR test and then click on finish. So meanwhile we will see the project requirement. Yeah, so my project is created. Okay, so let's see project requirement. So this is my screen. Okay, so this is my screen. In this screen, in this screen, in this screen, what I want to do is, so when I connect the power, okay, so when I connect the power, I want to display the toast message like this. Okay, power is connected. Power connected. Okay, so when I disconnect the power, I need to display the power is disconnected. Okay, I need to display the power is disconnected. So when I'm plugging the charging, okay, so I want to display the power is connected. Okay, when I disconnect it, I want to display the power disconnected. Okay, so this is what my requirement. Okay, so if I want to do that, so first I want to create a broadcast receiver class. First I want to create a broadcast receiver class. So here nothing I need to design it. Okay, so just first I want to create a broadcast receiver class. How do we create the broadcast receiver class? Just select the Java first package folder. Just select the Java first package folder and right click on it. Select the Java first package folder and then right click and then new okay, so new others broadcast receiver. Okay, just right click on the Java first package folder, new others broadcast receiver, new others broadcast receiver. Just select that. Okay, just select that. So if you select that, then you are able to see one dialog box. Then you are able to see one dialog box. Okay, have you clicked on that broadcast receiver? Please respond. Are you able to see this type of dialogs in your Android Studio? Please respond. Are you able to see this type of dialog box for Android Studios? Please respond. Yeah, great. So here, so I want to give a class name. So class name default it I have a Mary receiver. So we have to keep like that only. Exported and enabled. Exported means when I close the application, okay. So మనం application close చేసినా కూడా I want to work with broadcast receiver. Okay, for that we need to export it. So enable it means it has to enable. Okay, so that's why both are checked. Okay, so and then click on finish. Click on finish. Yeah. So my receiver class is created. Okay, so my receiver class is created. Okay. So first I need to register the broadcast receivers, right? So first I need to register the broadcasts. Okay. How can I register the broadcast? First, first we should create a intent filter class subject. Okay. Intent filter class subject. Okay. First I should have to create a intent class subject. Just a minute. Yeah. So sorry guys. So there is a problem. Okay. So now it is fine. Okay. So first I need to register the broadcasts. Okay. How can I register the broadcasts? By using the intent filter class object. by using the intent filter class object. Okay, so let's create a intent filter class object. Okay, so here I need to create the intent filter class object. Intent filter, intent filter, filter. Okay, so within the onCreate method, in the onCreate method, within the onCreate method, filter equal to new intent filter. Filter equal to new intent filter. New intent filter. Okay. So after that, I want to create a receiver class object. So what is our broadcast receiver class name? My receiver, right? My receiver. So I need to create a my receiver class object also. Okay. So my receiver, receiver. Okay. So receiver equal to new my receiver. New my receiver. Receiver equal to new my receiver. Okay. So now I need to add the actions. Okay. So now I need to add the actions. Okay. How can I add the actions? So by using intent filter class object, filter dot add action. Okay. So power intent dot power connected. Power connected. At the same time, I need to add a one more action, power disconnected. Okay, so power disconnected. Filter dot add action intent dot power disconnected. Power disconnected. Okay, power disconnected. Okay, after that, okay, after that, power connected, power disconnected is over. Okay, so two actions are added. Okay, after that, we need to register the receiver. Okay, after that, we need to register the receiver. Okay, so register receiver. So here we need to pass the how many parameters? Two parameters. Okay, broadcast receiver class object and intent filter class object. What is the broadcast receiver class object? Receiver. Receiver, comma, intent filter. What is the intent filter class object? Filter. What is the intent filter class object? Filter. Okay, filter. Okay. Next. Okay. So now when the power is connected, okay, so now when the power is connected, okay, when I connect the power into the my mobile, మనం ఎప్పుడైతే పవర్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తామో వెంటనే ఏం కాల్ చేస్తుందంటే ఈ రిజిస్టర్ రిసీవర్ ఏం కాల్ చేస్తుందంటే రిసీవర్ని కాల్ చేస్తుంది. రిసీవర్ని కాల్ చేస్తే మై రిసీవర్ క్లాస్కి వస్తుంది. మై రిసీవర్ క్లాస్లో ఏ మెథడ్ ఉంది? ఆన్ రిసీవ్ మెథడ్ ఉంది. ఈ ఆన్ రిసీవ్ మెథడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఈ లైన్ తీసేయండి. ఈ ఆన్ రిసీవ్ మెథడ్లో ఉన్న మెథడ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, మనం ఏం చేయాలి అంటే టేక్ ఏ స్ట్రింగ్ యాక్షన్. స్ట్రింగ్ యాక్షన్ ఈక్వల్ టు okay, so intent object intent dot parameters intent object. Okay, here intent, what is the intent object here? Intent. That's why I'm taking the intent. Intent dot get action. Okay, so here I will take a switch case. The switch case is action. Okay, so case 0. Case. Okay, so what is the case here? Action, right? Okay, so here if the power is connected, intent dot power is connected. If the power is connected, then I need to display the toast message. What is the toast message here? Power connected. Power connected. Okay, so here I need to display the power connected. Okay, so let's give the break. After that, next case. So when the power is disconnected, then dot power disconnected. When the power is disconnected. If the power is disconnected, I need to display the torch message like a power disconnected. Power disconnected. Okay, so after that, I want to give the break. Break. Okay. So that's run your application within your mobile only. Okay, so you may please run your application within your mobile. Okay, here I am unable to show you my here I am unable to show my mobile phone. So that's why what I'm doing is I will display in log messages. Log okay. So power, comma, power, connect. Same message. I need to add the power is disconnected and display this message. Power disconnected. Okay. So let me run this application first. So let me run this application. So I will run my application. Okay, so now you can see here. So my app is executed. So here power. Okay, so when I disconnect, so now my charging is I am connected my charger. So now I am disconnecting. If I disconnecting, so I got the message called disconnected. Power is disconnected. Here I'm unable to see. So I don't know what happened. Yeah, so if I connect, okay, it is connected. Okay, so it is not showing the, yeah. So now you can see. First I disconnected the power. After that, I connected the power. Okay. సో పవర్ రిమూవ్ చేసినప్పుడు పవర్ డిస్కనెక్టెడ్ అని వచ్చింది. పవర్ ప్లగ్ ఇన్ చేసినప్పుడు పవర్ కనెక్టెడ్ అని వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ హౌ ఇట్ విల్ వర్క్. ఓకే, సో మే ప్లీజ్ ట్రై ఇట్ ఇన్ అవర్ మొబైల్స్. సో ప్లీజ్ లెట్ మీ నో హౌ మెనీ ఆఫ్ యు డన్ సో ఫార్. Have we got the output? Please respond. Have you completed suffer? Please respond. Okay. So thanks for your not responding. Next. Okay. So next custom broadcast receiver. Okay. So if I want to work with custom broadcast receiver, first I want to take a one button on the screen. Okay. So first I want to take one button on the screen. So that is here I'm removing text view. Okay. So here default we have a text view component. So I don't want to work with default text view component. So otherwise you can do one thing. Okay. So instead of text view, just take a button. Just take a button. Okay. So here I need to uh, so nothing I need to change. Here I need to display the custom beer. Custom beer. Okay. So then I need to give the onClick method for this onClick custom beer. Custom beer. Okay, so now I want to implement this method within activity. Just create it. Okay, just create it. After that, after creating the method, what you have to do is so first we should have to create a one action, one custom action. First we should have to create a one custom action. Okay, so custom action is your choice. You can create anything. Okay, public static final final string my underscore custom system equal to in the double quotes. You can give any name here. Here I will give com dot example dot masta. Com dot example dot masta. You can give any name here, no problem at all. If you give only your name also, no, there is no problem. Okay. So after that, now I need to register that custom broadcast, right? Okay, now I need to register that custom broadcast. Okay. How can I register? Okay, by using the local broadcast manager class. Okay. So local broadcast manager class. Local broadcast manager. Local broadcast manager. Okay. So here what I want to do is local broadcast manager. Why this local broadcast manager is not working? Yeah. So to if you want to access the local broadcast manager class, okay, we need to add one dependency. We need to add one dependency. So the dependency is I think so here. Yeah. So where this local broadcast manager class is not working? Yeah. So we should have to add one library. Okay. So go to the project structure. We should have to add one library. I think so. So let me check that. Okay. Check that. GitHub. Yeah. So broadcast receiver. You can see here. Local broadcast manager. Yeah. So we added the button and we submit this local broadcast manager getting instance. So this is the process. A local broadcast manager, but I am unable to access that local broadcast manager. Okay, so let me check that. Mm, but to import the manager class. Local broadcast manager. Yeah. Mm. So let me add this package. Okay, first. Yeah. So how can I add it? Yeah. So here in packages, input. So it is not coming. Yeah. Add dependency. Okay. Added dependency on Analytics local broadcast manager. Okay, we should have to add the dependency local broadcast manager. Not so only it is having like this. Okay, so let me add the broadcast receiver. Okay, so dependency project structure ప్రీవియస్గా ఇలా లేదండి డైరెక్ట్గా వచ్చేది బట్ ఇప్పుడు రావట్లేదు డిపెండెన్సీ యాడ్ చేద్దాం. Okay, so go to the file and then select the project structure. Within the project structure, go to the dependencies. Within the dependencies, select the all dependencies. Within the all dependencies, just select the plus symbol and then select the library dependency. Okay, so ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే లోకల్ బ్రాడ్కాస్ట్ మేనేజర్ లోకల్ బ్రాడ్కాస్ట్ మేనేజర్ broadcast. Yes, if you search like that, then you will get the dependency. So it will take some time. So we should have to wait. Yeah. So now I got it. Okay, analytics.local broadcast manager, just import that analytics.local broadcast manager and then click on OK and then click on OK. Yeah, so my dependency is added successfully. So now what I want to do is I want to register it. Okay, so local broadcast manager dot get instance of this dot register receiver broadcast receiver subject receiver comma new intent filter of custom action. Okay, so my custom action. Okay, so after that, when we click the button only, we should have to send that receiver, right? So here, let's create an intent class object intent equal to new intent. So within that, my custom. Okay, so next send broadcast of I. Send broadcast of I. Okay, so after that, ఓకే. సో మనం ఎప్పుడైతే కస్టమ్ బీఆర్ అని క్లిక్ చేస్తామో మనకి ఈ కస్టమ్ యాక్షన్ కాల్ అవుతుంది. ఈ కస్టమ్ యాక్షన్ ఇక్కడ కాల్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ కాల్ అయిన తర్వాత ఈ రిసీవర్ క్లాస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. ఈ రిసీవర్ క్లాస్‌లో మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ఈ మై రిసీవర్ క్లాస్‌లో ఓకే. సేమ్ ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక కేస్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఇంకొక కేస్ ఏంటి? కేస్ అక్కడ యాక్షన్ ఏంటి? మై కస్టమ్ అనే యాక్షన్‌ని ఇక్కడికి యాక్సెస్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ యాక్సెస్ చేయాలంటే మెయిన్ యాక్టివిటీ డాట్ మై కస్టమ్ కోలన్ పోస్ట్ మెసేజ్. The post message is custom B. Okay, and then give the break. Yes, and then give the break. Okay, so that's it. Now you may please run your application. Now you may please run your application. Now you may please run your application and then check it. I think so you are unable to see my mobile. Okay. So first, okay, I want to add the one message. So instead of post message, I want to display this log statement. Log. Be here. Okay. So at the same time here, so not only a send broadcast, local broadcast manager dot get instance. Sorry. Local broadcast manager dot get instance dot this dot. Okay. Yeah. So now you may please run your application. So now let me open the logcat. Yeah. So now you can see here when I click the button, and now you can see the message custom BR. So you can see the message custom BR. Okay. So when I click on button, you can see the custom BR. If I click on one more time, so you can see one more time. Okay. So this is how this custom broadcast receiver will work. Okay, so is it clear for everyone? Please respond. Is it clear for everyone? Please respond. Is it clear? Yeah. So thanks for your response. Okay. Yeah. So that's it for broadcast receiver. So next we will see service. Next we will see service. Okay. How do we work with service? First, let me create a one new project for service. You go to the file and then close your project and then terminate it. Let me create a new project. Okay, select the empty activity and then click on next. So here I want to create a application name. The application name is service test. The application name is service test. Okay, so and then click on finish. My project is created. Okay, so now I want to work with service, right? So here we will take one example music player. Okay, so let me create it. So this is our application. So in this application, I will take two buttons, play button and stop button. Play button and stop button. Okay, so this is the play button. So this is the stop button. Okay, so here I will take one music file. Here I will take one music file. ఓకే. సో, ఒక సాంగ్ తీసుకుంటామండి. ఒక సాంగ్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని మనము ప్లే చేయాలనమాట. ఓకే. ఒక మ్యూజిక్ ఫైల్ తీసుకొని దాన్ని ప్లే చేయాలి సర్వీస్‌లో. ఓకే. సో, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అవర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ఓకే. సో, ఫస్ట్ ఈ సాంగ్ అనేది ఎక్కడుండాలి అంటే, ఈ సాంగ్ అనేది ఎక్కడుండాలంటే రిసోర్స్ ఫోల్డర్‌లో ఉండాలి. రిసోర్స్ ఫోల్డర్‌లో మనకి రా ఫోల్డర్‌లో ఉండాలి. మల్టీమీడియా ఫైల్స్ అన్నీ కూడా రిసోర్స్ ఫోల్డర్‌లో, రా ఫోల్డర్‌లో ఉండాలి. సాంగ్స్ కానీ, వీడియోస్ కానీ, ఎంపీ3 గానీ, ఎంపీ4 గానీ అవన్నీ కూడా మనకి రా ఫోల్డర్‌లో ఉండాలి. ఓకే. సో, మనకి వితిన్ ద రిసోర్స్ ఫోల్డర్‌లో రా ఫోల్డర్ ఉంది. ఇన్ ద రిసోర్స్ ఫోల్డర్ రా ఫోల్డర్ ఉందని సో, నౌ వి నీడ్ టు క్రియేట్ ఏ రా ఫోల్డర్. హౌ కెన్ వి క్రియేట్ ద రా ఫోల్డర్? I click on RES folder and then go to the new and then Android resource directory. Okay, select the Android resource directory. So if you select the Android resource directory, so then you will get one pop-up window. So here we have a two drop-down menus. Okay, so dictionary name and resource type. Within the resource type, you may please select the raw. Within the resource type, you may please select the raw. So if you select the raw, automatically you will get the directory name as a raw. Directory name as a raw. Okay, and then click on finish. Raw folder is created. Okay, so now I need to copy the music file. Okay, so now I need to copy the one music file. So here I'm going to the music file. So within the downloads, So is the mp3 file song.mp3. So I have actually song. One song file. So where is the song? Yeah. See here I have a one song. Okay, so I will copy this song and paste within the raw folder. I will copy this song and paste within the raw folder. So go to your Android Studios and then paste it here. Your song name must be in small letters only. Okay. So small letters లోనే ఉండాలి, స్పేసెస్ ఉండకూడదు, నెంబర్స్ ఉండకూడదు, స్పెషల్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉండకూడదు, స్మాల్ లెటర్స్ లోనే ఉండాలి. Okay, so and then effect. Okay, so song is added successfully. Okay, the song is added successfully in the raw folder. Okay, so now I want to play this song within the receiver, within the service. Within the service, I need to play this song. Okay, for that, first I want to create a service. I click on here. Before that, so let me add a buttons on this XML screen. Okay, so here I'll remove this text view component. Okay, so after that, default it will take a constant layout. So instead of constant layout, so which layout I should have to take? Linear layout. Okay, so remove the constant layout and then take the linear layout. So I want to make it as a orientation. The orientation make it as a vertical. Okay, so here we should have to close the linear layout. Okay, so after that, what I want to do is here I want to take it two buttons. Here I want to take a two buttons. Okay, so button, Okay, so height and width make it as a wrap content, wrap content. Height and width make it as a wrap content, wrap content. Okay, wrap content, wrap content. So after that, I need to display the text on the button. The text is play. The text is play. So later I want to give the on-click method. On-click method also play. On-click method also play. Okay, so next I want to take one more button. So this is my second button. The second button name is stop. Okay, so here I should have to give the on-click method as a stop. సో ఈ టూ మెథడ్స్ని ఎక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలంటే జావా ఫైల్లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి. ఈ టూ మెథడ్స్ని ఎక్కడ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి? జావా ఫైల్లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయాలి. జస్ట్ ప్లేస్ యువర్ కర్సర్ ఆన్ ది ప్లే మెథడ్ అండ్ దెన్ గివ్ ద alt enter. If you give the alt enter, then you are able to see create a play in main activity. Just select that. So after that, come back to the XML file. So just place your cursor on the stop and then give the alt enter. So if you give the alt enter, it will ask you to create a stop in main activity. Just select that. Just select that. Okay. Next. Okay, after that, what we have to do is, okay, so now I want to create a service. How can we create the service? Just right click on the Java first package folder. Just right click on the Java first package folder, go to the new, and then service. Go to the service and then select the service. Okay, just right click on Java first package folder, go to the new, and then select the service and then service. Okay, right click on Java first package folder, new, service. Just select that. So here your service name is my service only. Okay, exported and enabled, and then click on finish. So here you are able to see service is created. Okay, so in this service we have some service lifecycle methods. The first method is on create. Okay, so we should have to import the on create. After that, there is a one more method called on start command. On start command. Okay, so after that on destroy method. On destroy. Okay, these are the three methods are available. Now I want to create a media player class object. Media player. Okay, so within the on create method, what you have to do is player equal to media player dot create media player dot create. Okay, so within this we need to pass the context object. The context object is this comma cura or dot raw dot song name song. Okay, so that's it. The file is passed successfully. Okay, one thing is within the on start command I should have to play the song. Okay, so player dot start. So what is the error here? Delete unreachable statement. Yeah. So within the return statement, player dot start. Okay, so within the on destroy method, you should have to close it. Okay, so after that, within the start button, I need to start the service. Let's create an intent class object intent equal to new intent. Okay, so here class service this comma so my service dot class so next start service. There is a method called start service. Within that, pass the intent object type. Okay. So after that, let me create a intent object intent I equal to new intent of this comma my service dot class. Okay. So next stop service of I. Okay. Stop service of I. Okay. So now let me run my application. So I will run my application. Yeah, my application is installed. Now you can see. If I click on play button, you can see the song. You can hear the song. Okay. The song is playing in the background. Okay. So are you able to listen the song? Please respond. Are you able to listen the song? Okay. So this is how service will work. Okay. If I click on stop, it doesn't stop. If I click on stop, it doesn't stop. Okay. So why? Because we call the stop service method, but we didn't tell that to music player stop. Okay, here within the on destroy method, we should have to tell to the player dot stop. Okay, so player dot stop. So then it will work. So if I click on it again, if I run it again, okay, if I run it again, yeah. So if I click on start button, yeah, now you can see the sound. Okay, if I click on stop, it will stop. If I click on play, it will play. If I click on stop, it will stop. Okay. So this is how service will work. If I close this activity also, it will run in the background. If If I close this activity also, it will running in the background. Okay, so this is the service. Okay, so that's it for today. So I don't have a power in my home. Okay, so I don't have a power in my home. Okay, so I have 23% charging only. If you have any doubts, you may please ask me. If you have any doubts, you may please ask me. Yeah, thank you. So what about the others? Yeah, thank you. So this is how we can work with service and broadcast receiver. Okay, sorry guys, today I don't have a power in my home. Okay, so my charging is only 22.